Are you thinking about signing up for YouTube TV but worried about flexibility? In this video, I'll answer the question, can you cancel YouTube TV anytime? If you're concerned about commitments or hidden fees, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Yes, you can absolutely cancel YouTube TV anytime without any contracts or cancellation fees. YouTube TV operates on a month-to-month subscription model, giving you full control over your account. If you decide to cancel, you'll still have access to the service until the end of your current billing period, so you won't lose out on any paid time. To cancel, simply go to your account settings, navigate to the Subscription tab, and follow the prompts. It's quick and hassle-free. Just remember that once your subscription ends, you'll lose access to your cloud DVR recordings unless you reactivate your account. If this video helped you understand how easy it is to cancel YouTube TV, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.